Good morning, kids. I hope you are doing great at home. We have already done chapter number 1 and chapter number 3. Today we are going to start chapter number 4. So, write date over here, and I am sure you have heard these terms staying safe in your previous class. So, let's start our chapter. You all know that accident can happen, right? And accidents can happen anywhere, anytime, and that too without warning. They don't give us any kind of warning. They are not going to tell you that hello, hey, I am coming on your way, so be careful. No, na, they never tell you anything. And what are the consequences of accident? So people do get hurt. They get more hurt or less, that depend on the accident. If accident is more dangerous, it may lead to the death. Accident can be a minor scratch, or it can be dangerous, which leads to death. So I guess you all have learned in previous class how the safety measures that you should taken at home or on road or in school to prevent these kinds of accidents. So let's talk about them now. So let's start it. If there is a gas leak in the kitchen, we all know we are using LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, in our kitchen. How you can find out if there is a gas leakage? By a peculiar smell. That is a very strange smell that spread in the kitchen and around. You have to follow the steps. You have to keep these following steps in your mind, and you have to react at the time when there is a gas leakage in the home. Turn off the gas regulator. There is a regulator with the cylinder. You have to turn off that gas regulator. Open all the door and window to let the gas out, so that gas can go out. The third one is, do not light any matchstick. Don't light any matchstick in the kitchen. This may lead to the explosion of cooking gas cylinder. It may cause the explosion also. So don't you dare to light the matchstick. Do not operate electrical switches also. That too cause explosion. So don't use matchstick and don't operate electrical switches also. Call the gas agency and get the leakage repaired immediately. You have to call the gas agency so that they can repair the gas leakage. And do you know cooking gas has no smell on its own? They are having no gas smell. A peculiar smell is added to it so that it enables us to detect a gas leakage. Otherwise it is not having its smell of its own. They have additionally added a strange smell so that we are able to detect there is a gas leakage. So the next one is fire fighting. A fire can be controlled. We all know when there is a fire, when someone catches fire, we throw water on them, na? So a fire can be controlled by throwing water on burning objects like clothes, wood or paper. Water cool down the burning substance. But there are not all fires can be controlled using water. सभी की सभी fires जो हैं वो पानी से control नहीं हो सकती. The fire caused due to burning of oil and petrol. We shouldn't pour water on them. We shouldn't use water by oil being lighter. Oil जो है lighter है तो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट ऑन वाटर, वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करेगा, कॉजिंग द फायर टू स्प्रेड, जिसकी वजह से फायर क्या हो जाएगी, स्प्रेड हो जाएगी. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग वाटर वी कैन यूज सैंड और फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स सो दैट वी कैन स्टॉप दिस फायर. अ फायर कोज्ड, अब ये तो था दोनों नॉर्मल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज फायर कोज्ड ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वो भी पानी नहीं डालना चाहिए. दैट शुडेंट बी पुट ऑफ, दैट शुडेंट बी स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग वाटर. वाई? बिकॉज water conduct electricity which may cause electrical shock. So in this case also use sand or some special extinguishers so that we can stop the fire. The next one is, in the case a person's clothes catch fire. अब एक नेक्स्ट केस क्या है कि बाय चांस किसी पर्सन के क्लोथ्स में आग लग गई है, एंड डोंट अलाउ और डोंट लेट द पर्सन रन. उससे क्या होगा, वो फ्लेम्स जो है और ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो जाएंगी इफ़ द पर्सन स्टार्ट रनिंग. इंस्टेड ऑफ पर्सन शुड बी कवर्ड विद द ब्लैंकेट और मेड टू रोल ऑन द ग्राउंड. हैव यू सीन इन मूवीज इन द सीरियल्स ऑल्सो ना, कि जब आग लगती है तो वो क्या करते हैं, अपने आप को रोल डाउन कर लेते हैं और क्या कर लेते हैं, अदरवाइज दे यूज़ द ब्लैंकेट टू पुट ऑफ द फायर. दिस विल कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई एंड पुट ऑफ द फायर. उससे क्या होगा, एयर सप्लाई नहीं होगी और फायर क्या होगी, अपने आप ख़त्म हो जाएगी. So what are fire extinguishers? A fire extinguisher is used to extinguish uncontrollable fire. Fire को ख़त्म करने के लिए ये fire extinguishers use होते हैं. A fire extinguisher contains certain chemicals. They are having number of chemicals when the fire extinguisher is in use. जब हम इसे use करते हैं, these are the fire extinguisher. I guess you have seen in some hotels or in school colleges also they are present. These chemicals mix with each other releasing a gas. Whenever we open it or whenever we use them, these all chemical mix with each other and forming a foam बना देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो क्या करती है, फोम जो कट ऑफ कर देती है ताकि एयर जो है वो सप्लाई ना हो. कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई टू फायर. दीज दस एक्सटिंग्विश इट, उसे ख़त्म कर देते हैं. द गैस रिलीज इज़ यूजली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. जो गैस इससे रिलीज होती है मेनली वो कौन सी होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. द नेक्स्ट वन, द प्रिवेंशन स्टेप्स टू अवॉइड फायर एक्सीडेंट. जो प्रिवेंशन से हमें क्या क्या यूज़ करनी चाहिए, हेयर वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट ना दैट वट वी शुड डू while there is a gas leakage and when there is a fire. So now we are talking about when there are accident. So do not throw a lighted matchstick carelessly around. हम क्या करते हैं, मैचस्टिक जलाई और उसे बिना ब्लो आउट किए ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं. सो डोंट डू दैट. फर्स्ट ब्लो इट आउट एंड देन थ्रो इट. डू नॉट कीप थिंग्स दैट कैच फायर ईजली नियर द गैस स्टोव. गैस स्टोव के पास कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं रखनी चाहिए जिसकी वजह से क्या हो, वो ईजीली कैच कर ले फायर को. एज दे माइट कैच फायर ड्यू टू आर केयरलेसनेस. कई बार हो जाता है. सो डोंट डू दैट थिंग्स. Keep a fire extinguisher handy in case it is required for an emergency. We all know in the hotels and schools or in colleges there is fire extinguisher, so that if there is any kind of emergency we can use it. Get the electrical wires of the house checked regularly for any fault in them. कोई भी अगर उनमें fault है electrical wires में, if there is a short circuit, so get it checked so that we can stop any kind of accident. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes while working. We have read in the we have also discussed this in 4th standard that don't wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Why? Because they catch fire easily. So this was all about our chapter. Up to here we are doing here for today. The rest we will do in the next we will do next time. And what you have to do, you have to read the chapter up to here and learn chapter number 3. And you have to write some safety rules that should be taken at home, in schools, or while walking on the road, and write them on your paper, and or you can say write them on the rough sheet.